Enti the Bank of Ghana governor, Dr. Siama and Mahama son Siama Ghana for after say update eba say Ghana your gold reserves na ewo honom na ene na ye dey twen say the hiada ya ton gold no na ye dey achechire ye dey so man Ghana asene kakran no that gold reserve na ewo honom no ye di amanasa ama eho asem abe de dwa in this video beto bo ase na chire mu na me hu dia eko ene de ebetimi akwakosie in near future say antoto ene ema yi a hi Penyah block media meso ase ani die mu obe like video no that my put subscribe button and be click notification on the latest update na be chere wa adwen de ama me e wo comment section meso ba so a na se for anya bi ahwe oni mo say Ghana eye gold ene kura oman konkon Ghana we
e papa men dada mo and so ehia kokudro because one senior mechanic gold is the one holding Ghana now. And because of galamsey intina, we were 80 tons per year. After year 135 tons. Additional, be free galamsey. So we must be prepared to sacrifice in the fight against galamsey. Say production will come down. It means that exports will reduce.
Any crack Ghana. Now the Ghana so now no yetimi export gold more. Ede kwa no. Through illegal miners galamsey. Ho enema gold every ever everyone can say the fight against galamsey no eba ya jene but ayan was on the kan han mo oni mo say na Bawumia Akufo Addo eteso no ana Bawumia transi no ka say da bi how a yesi de ye tam sika ede kwa amana no ekoto oil ede ba no emwa Ghana emwesika no ye lose sika enti yenye ni seche we say yemfa resources enkonkoche resources instead of say this sika we go to go ye this sika we go to oil no and yam for gold, yam convert monetary gold monetary value. Na yam for exchange of oil no. Emma busia ye eboa Ghana economy no. Na in the course of the line no, ana Bawumia ka say there be Ghana no we be man aircon and say the wias AC aircon no. E was see enya gold bi egu honomo for dachi. Because you can say gold na no we are exporting it ye de kwa oil ye de kwa ye de ye e de bo oman no there be ye store bi enwu ho se de be ya debi no se asem anas oye na bi e ya beto Ghana yetimi enya bibi e de twaje ho e to mu say omu air store gold na omu air store no this was how na data no esi etie and omu start ni etimame fan free 31st May 2023 as of 31st May 2023 na uko Ghana Bank of Ghana gold wa ewo omakachia na omu store edema Ghana na ewo honum no na eye 8.78 tons ekwadru June ewieye na say within the scope of 1 month no na omu akodru 10 tons ana July July ewieye no na akodru 11.23 tons that's a per calculation no omu ade 1.31 ton. Yako August area na akodru 13.62 tons. Yako September akodru 16.13 tons. October area 2023 krona na akodru 17 tons. November 2023 na akodru 18.19 tons. December 2023 na akodru 19.5 tons. Any better see 2024 mu. In 2024 started January na akodru 20 tons. February na that's what 20 tons about coins bia be go actually March na that's what 20 tons ho no mu a April na akodru 21.35 tons. May na akodru 22 tons. June na akodru 24.47 tons. As of 30th May 2024 na say oya calculation now from 31st May 2023 ABC 30th May 2024 na say 1 year no 1 year pine it 1 year no na say moving from 8.78 tons to 22.32 tons na say oya calculation na omu ade 13.58 tons or 13.58 metric tons of gold to our reserve and answer to our holdings at the Bank of Ghana session honomo. Omo etumi ade 13.58 tons of gold ene wo ema Ghana. yɛntoa data no so ɛna sɛ ɛde ɛbaayɛ eti yɛduru June 2024 na akɔduru 23.38 tons, July 2024 na akɔduru 24.47 tons, August 2024 na akɔduru 25.97 tons, September na akɔduru 27.2 tons, October na akɔduru 28 tons, November na ɛwɔ 29 tons, December 31st December 2024 Ghana your gold reserve hɔ nom tons a na etimi ɛwɔ hɔ ɛyɛ 30.53 tons. Enti wei ɛne gold a Akufo Addo time yes a government no na yɛde ama NDC NPP handed over 30.53 metric tons of gold holding at the Bank of Ghana sector. Ɛno na yɛ hand over to NDC. NDC bɛgye yɛ no ɛna from there 2025 January ɛkɔduru 30.62 tons. And it go through October 38 tons. And the as of it end is over now so 1 year no from January to October now almost the 7.51 tons. 7.51 but last year 2023 2025 within 1 year Akufo Addo Bawumia was were able to add 13 tons. 13.53 tons, but same 1 year no Mahama they just 7.51 tons. Normal. Dey say oman no kwana ye kwene say at the Bank Ghana na ye wo we na wo honom. Na busa this gold we na e wo honom na ye ton no. Gold we na e wo ho na ye se ye mfa emo Ghana ye mfa ngu ho for daache. Bibi besi a ye de twitwa ye ho no. Obi anum say Ghana as of October 2025 now you were 38 metric tons of gold and there were Bank of Ghana year reserve omu akache enra Johnson Siamana Bank of Ghana governor omekasa gold we dey yedim se ohonom no dey masa yediama nasa jai yediama abeka 18.6 tons of gold just a movie from 38.08 to 18.6. Now say oye calculation na 19.44 tons of gold ya ton ya export it. Yedi amanasa 19.44 metric tons of gold ya exported from our reserve ama ade no asa kire say ade a obi nyansam yenya mfangu ho ma Ghana na emo aye daache no ono no penso kura no na he was not ono na obo ano no wanton enema mu ye dene am focus dollar na kosoro den ono kura ma no ho ampopo anga say ne ma me nkoton emfa mewura dollar mu mechi dollar. He never thought of doing that. Wano anya na adwen kura say ono no bo anu gold anu gu hono no wanya na adwen say me kwa akoton gold no e dia bewura dollar mu ama dollar bo aba from there bi he never thought go nu say there dollar na be kwa yenko enema bi hu ya sene dollar because yen o man na yebu no yen timi fa dollar nko anya susu bia na da bia diske wura dollar mu na enema bi ho no so ye na ye nye just NDC buy no enema bi Akufo Addo store ma Ghana no they are misusing it obekaya COVID-19 e buy no Akufo Addo AC warehouse bi e wo tema ho no mo e ma warehouse no ka say ye store emo egu ho for that chance binti because COVID-19 by that guy na you prepare for anything it be hit here Akufo Addo ya sad ni wie ye no ye to ba wie ya 2024 ye to wie ya Mahama ewe ne ye obekaya they started emo na Akufo Addo nyansem wa store egu ho no mo se that communication bi koba pebremu aduane bo be ye de na ye de aba montene so obeton no anase bibi kosi a ye de aba be use no Mahama ba ye ene kobu da warehouse nani amanfo ko twin de omu pe omu ko twin de omu pe omu ye de ka ye no na ye se yen san load enfam ko schools mu enko chema phrases for nkura na eni amanfo ka se yan nyansa wom se adenti na nkura no gusu mu nya aduane ni nanso we egu ho just yeah now we say ade we no baka kire mo say sisi a na gold reserve no ye dia manasa eti no minise kakra akaya 2026 ombesa akoton e dia be pomp euro dollar ho no mo e dia be che dollar e normal it fashion 2026 gold ne besa yenya reserve bi agu ho e besa na esa no bibi koje kukuro e wo Ghana ha no a menum mie no e ne aso be yeshi na we na comedian so om se hwe se ni se wonti Mahama pa o pe gold bi agu bi pe gold agu no wo ton e na we e ne nsem a o mo ga kire Mahama
abusia Ghana ye gold ya pe ya boaboa no e de akosie Bank of Ghana na ye frɛ ne ye gold reserves ye se da che so how bi to Ghana ye be pone ho kakra de solve your problem no sa gold na sam che se figure se free Bank of Ghana eba me hu ye me yam hihye me che se makoma tu this useless NDC government had them gold no more na se bi wo mo hunu no mo de asoma no mo de sa no mo de tua. Could you believe say in just 3 months, between September 2025 and December 2025, your gold reserve, gold aya pegu Bank of Ghana, ye DSC, a depleted, a reduced from 37.1 tons to 18.6 tons. Just in just 3 months, NDC are buying a ton gold no 18.5 tons. Or much a ton half. Gold aya pegu or no. Ye gold reserve, ye go on no ma ye say, ye de bo economy no ho ban. That's your how be to yenya, ye be pone ho kakra de aso be ye how no. O ma chemu mienu aton fa. 50% o ma chemu mienu aton fa. And where ye gold reserves in nko na make kan wasemu. Menka gold a omoto a no ma koton and direct. Gold a omoto a no ma koton and direct. Menka eno ye nka ho asem. We are just talking about gold reserve near your pa, your decosie for future use. Said that your how by and on American myself and no kuana. Oma ton a 18.5 tons. And no man chemu 50% oma ton a disicano. So what say would they no almost toa no man cotton and direct by the can one. Not just say the quantum of tonnage NDC are buying a ton. In just 12 months, I think say Ankokora 40 tons, and that is staggering. In the history of Ghana, a Bambian buyer watching Ghana you good at ton to say this NDC government in just 1 year. In just 1 year, mobile kayam MPP. A bra COVID by there was this global economic crisis. Dr. Bawumia through gold purchase program. Ehunu say ye pe gold bebre gu ho no ma ye betimi dia bo ye economy ne ho ban anka COVID ba ye no anka ye wo gold bebre gu ho anka ye nkwa hohihim enti na say ye pe gold ne bebre gu ho no enti between 2022 and 2024 in less than 2 years MPP ye increase ye gold reserves every 8 tons e could do 30.1 tons enti ebra NDC eba abamu MPP Efra Bemu 7 January 2025. Na yen gold reserve, gold aya pegu e 30.1 tons. Na NDC buy no, one pa no ma kwa koton e direct. Into omo top no ma koton bebre na omo to ya no ma kwa koton. Into between a January kosi September. Kakra omo de kan ho ye just 7 tons. In September 2025, near gold reserve no, 37.1 tons, no more than 7 tons per account. Anna and Bank of Ghana, I catch and say between that September 2025, December 2025, just 3 months. Oma reduce a gold reserve no, freeze 37.1 tons to 18.6 tons. Into 7 tons per NDC for no more the count on Oma Tomedi. Ana near Akufo Addo ne Dr. Bawumia ban epegu ho a ye jamo no oma sanya ton mu 12 tons oma ton mu 12 tons in total 13 tons rather in total no oma ton 18.5 tons ana edi but the ebusa say one mo be akonta man omo be kire in 12 months no the number of tonnage ana say the quantum of tonnage oma ton na sika hi no munyaye ana sika no so den no mo de ye because untimi ton such quantum of tonnage of gold na untimi entua eye adwumayefo ka ene untimi ntua adwumayefo ka na esefo ni teacherfo a omaye adwuma for 12 months 13 months untimi ntua omoka cocoa farmers a omatitu mu wure makoji loan ayom cocoa nfuo na wabeto omukoko akoton musigu nya sika ntue omka bronya NDB say abanya dwuma efo eso tu o maketuam no watumo just 9%. Say then no mu disika ne ye NDC form bebu akonta ne mai because this is staggering. This is serious. This is mind-boggling. Adam Crawford no mu wia gold na na say gold no mu bubuwe ana gold no omo desa omo di tua. Sare, this is insane.
Da bia yeka se enema bi wo ho no mu a obeya na makopem. But as yeka NDC aban no onti ase. Ise enema no bi asase boboba. Na ebeba so akoduru ba bia. Yen a yedi kan hunu future no eri be kwa kosi NDC Bank of Ghana ede yen sikasem ene no ma course wo eye 2025 ekusi na wie nyina ori abeto about the thing na hono ena World Bank of Ghana for one books ese 2024 abra NPP for free aban mu no na yen gold ya pegu ho ankasa ye friend reserve no na 30.5 metric tons. Okay. Ena Bank of Ghana for ese o ma bom ho modern o mo yade the first 9 months no o mo so tumi de be ka ho a e ma ye drew 37.1 metric tons. Ti ho no ye hu so mo so e de bi be ka de ani e wo ho no ho. Okay. And the account will be you say gold prices. Edwama so akosoro ti gold bi arba kwa bonten akoto bi no. Na sika ye nya free gold ni mo no. Eyi bebre kwa. NPP aban free aban mo no. Na ounce bi gold na ye 2600. Eye December bosume etwa mu nra ye you know. Gold bi ara kwa mananya koton bi anana nam 4300 kra. Na say omu kire mu say 63% kra na abeka ho. Sika na ne yenya no. Okay. NDC aban yi de tiamani abra me kasa amani ho hantwu nyina yi o. NDC aban yi de bosoma me nsape. Gold reserve na ye wo 37.1 metric tons. September awie 2025 awie na 37 no. Omode sabo so me ensa efiri October November December no omutumi aton gold num every 37.1 metric tons na izaka 18.6 bisa ho say no maton bisa ho say no maton efiri so more than 18 metric tons o maton ni nyina ti say we me no mienu yen gold reserve all my Ghana mo no ate every 37 no omode kwato ye no aba bedu 18.6 ate every 30.5 na NPP for jama omo no omaton so ntini ja say yesi wa nya hwe ama wase e mo no kro no omu de o maboy kro no de NPP for jama omaton de omu nya ye no edi asa akote de NPP for jama omo no so edi aye de ombe say NPP for yakasa amuntie Bawumia gold reserve near the support to your currency no. Omo ba yen omo ton de ye de omo pe. Omo ton e di wura exchange rate nim. E ma exchange rate re ba from ye boy ensem ba wo adwuma na ye to wo no. Eno no mo ton de ye de omo pe no. De ono nya ye na anso ni de o. De wunya gu ho no. Eno na NDC fo e ton. Say ye di mu half aka half. Ye hwe de e besie se mo ton other half no na mo di wi a ni ahwa de mno kwakọ wura eyesidi nim eri atete exchange rate no so eri aba fom de edi kan no Bank of Ghana for you know almost economic indicator and financial report to the day eniema omo me de hunsem be bank asa munya botre follow me page no eniema gum no menya ndaje breaking it down de edi kan me de abatu dwa ne say adwuma NPP for nyaaye sika NPP for pegu ho gold prices across by 63% ni nyina no NDC for de omunya no omadi asa akodi de NPP for enyagu ho no bi kura asan e de asoso they say ye di Ghana for sika NPP for say NPP for na nkato mo ntia futu omunya na nkoma edi ya ɛna nkomo ka so so aka dompe sɛ de 2016 ye ka kyerɛ ye na enka umenya no e
Chida wa bi mama e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Accra.